Welcome to the Learning Horizon. In this video, we will discuss about digits, numbers and numerals. So, first let us start with digits. Digits in math refers to 10 symbols from 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, what are numbers? Numbers define quantity, that is, it tells me how many. Let us understand this with an example. Look at these balls. How many balls do we have here? I say there are 3 balls. So here 3 is a number that tells me the number of balls I have. Same way, in this example, 4 is a number that tells me I have 4 balls. 3 and 4 are 2 different numbers that shows 2 different quantities. Note, every number represents a different quantity. Numbers are sometimes used for labeling. Labeling with numbers helps us identify and tell the things apart. Here we have 3 houses. They all look similar and identical. But I cannot tell them apart. I cannot identify them individually. But if I number them as 11, 12 and 13, I can identify them. So, as we have seen with examples, numbers are used to define quantity and also sometimes used for labeling. Now, let us talk about numerals. Numeral is a symbol or a group of symbols to show a number. Let us take the same example to explain the concept of numerals. Here, 4 is a numeral. It is using digits, which is again a symbol to show the number 4, that is the quantity. Digits form numeral that shows a number. For example, here 4 is a single digit numeral to show a number 4. It has one digit 4. 32 is a 2-digit numeral. It has 2 digits 3 and 2. 153 is a 3-digit numeral with 3 digits 1, 5 and 3. There can be infinite numbers that can be formed with just these 10 digits. But is this the only way to show a number? No, there are different ways we can show the number 4. Like, I can write in words, that is FOUR. It shows the number 4. Or I can show using tally marks, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am using the tally symbols to show the number 4. I can also show the number 4 in terms of Roman numerals, like I can use a 10 frame or a number line too. As you see, there are different ways you can show a number. All these are different types of numerals showing the same number 4. So far, we have learned that digits are 10 symbols. Numeral is a symbol or group of symbols to show a number. Numbers define quantity. Let us quickly recap with an example. We will consider 2 digits 1, 2. Now we will group these digits to form 2 numerals, that is 1, 2, 2, 1. These numerals show a number, that is quantity. This numeral here shows the number 12. that is a quantity of 12. This numeral here shows the number 21, that is a quantity of 21. So now we have seen how digits form numerals to show a number. Digits in math are like alphabets in English, where the letters A to Z are different symbols. These symbols group together to form a word, which is like a numeral in math. This word stands for an idea, and this idea is like numbers in math. Hope this clears the basic understanding of digits, numbers, and numerals. If you have any queries or suggestions, kindly leave a comment below. Also, do not forget to check the description below for additional information on anchor charts and worksheets.